gonna start slow. And we're always gonna finish fast.
Let's take a selfie. Do not put that on the internet.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break.
She told me don't worry about your size. She says boys like a little more booty to hold. And I interview this burger from the bottom to the top.
Talking this and that, don't hold it tight. Here's why.
Come on, now make it stop.
And do that, rewind, do that, rewind.
Shake it, shake it.
Rewind, do that, rewind, and do that, rewind,
Shake it, shake it. Yeah, it's pretty clear, but I can shake it, shake it, like I'm supposed to do.
and do that.
Swimming in the grotto, we winning in the lotto, we tipping in the pot of blue flow.
Put that paper over, oh, I thought you knew that I'd be the put my name involved. I've been working, I'm up in here. Ready to drop.
To the A, to the N, to the G.
Do that.
B, to the A, to the N, to the G. Hey, shake it, shake it. B, to the A, to the N, to the G.
Good evening, I'm John Oliver. Our top story tonight, YouTube Rewind 2014. What are you... Oh, kid president. What?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, big word.
My next guest is going to be... Hello.